I want to quickly talk to you about Amex Business Platinum versus Chase Inc. Business Preferred versus Capital One Spark Miles for Business. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about Amex Business Platinum versus Chase Inc. Business Preferred versus Capital One Spark Miles for Business. Now, one thing you know if you're listening to this is that the world of small business credit cards doesn't have many premium card options. Business owners find that even if a card carries enough perks to outweigh its annual fee, they're going to have a tough time justifying an expense that doesn't directly grow their bottom line, right? So you have $595, for example, for Amex. However, for small businesses looking to rack up valuable travel rewards on their purchases without paying a hefty fee, there are plenty of great options. Three of these: the Amex Business Platinum, the Capital One Spark Miles for Business, and the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card offer access to an incredible collection of transfer partners. And currently, they have three of the most valuable welcome bonuses of any business credit card on the market. So today, we're actually going to take a look at how this three stack up against each other, and I will help you decide which is right for your small business. So first, I'm showing you the Amex Business Platinum, how it looks like if you are not familiar with the card. Next, I'm showing you the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card, how it looks like if you're not familiar with it. And then we have the Capital One Spark Miles for Business, again if you're not familiar with it. At the end of the day, your choice will depend on three things: what kind of business you have, what kind of operational requirements you have. Do you travel a lot, or are you just looking for rewards? And the third thing that's very important is that what kind of customers do you have? Because some of those cards, you can actually use them for things like travel, entertainment, meals, and so on and so forth. But before I get into the actual review, please check out this short video. It kind of tells you about our very strict methodology when it comes to we do have a rigorous approach when it comes to analyzing business credit cards on this channel. So check this out right now. All right, I want to talk to you about welcome bonus. And because the first thing most people look at when considering a new card is, of course, the welcome bonus, right? This is the fastest way to earn a meaningful amount of miles. And these three cards deliver quite nicely. So with the Amex Business Platinum, you must spend about $25,000 in the first 3 months to get the full 100,000 points. Even to earn 50,000 points with the Amex means spending double the requirements for the Inc. Business or the Spark Miles. And of course, for many small businesses, spending 25 grand in 3 months isn't a hard threshold to hit, really. If your business has a smaller monthly budget, though, you may want to consider the Inc. Business Preferred for its bonus. And one thing I also want to say is that the Inc. Business Preferred bonus is significantly easier to obtain. You only have to spend $15,000 in the first 3 months to get the full 100,000 points. And so this is one of our favorites here. And they are actually currently offering the largest bonus of any of the Chase Ultimate Rewards earning cards. All right. And they're also sending out mailers to some customers with a high targeted offer for up to 160,000 points. Check this out, 160,000 points. That's fantastic. And like nearly every Chase credit card, though, the Inc. Preferred is restricted by the 524 rule, meaning you'll be automatically rejected if you've opened 5 or more credit cards across all issuers in the last 24 months. What about the Capital One miles? The Capital One Spark Miles for Business. This card is also currently offering an all-time high welcome bonus of up to 200,000 miles, broken up over 2 spending tiers. So you earn 50,000 miles after spending 5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months, and you can earn an additional 150,000 miles after spending $50,000 on purchases in the first 6 months. So, and thanks to an ever-growing list of airline transfer partners, we believe that this reward programs are pretty interesting from a consumer point of view. So the winner here when it comes to welcome bonuses is the Capital One Spark Miles for Business. We believe that the Capital One Spark Miles for businesses, the Capital One Spark Miles for Business comes out on top with its lucrative bonus worth up to $2,800 according to our reviewers. Besides the welcome bonus, let's talk about the bonus categories. And because one of the biggest differences between these 3 cards is the way they earn rewards for your spending after the initial welcome bonus. So the Inc. Preferred offers 3 times ultimate reward points. This is a 6% return based on our expert reviewers' valuation on your first $150,000 in combined annual spending across the following bonus categories. So you have travel, including airfare, hotels, rental cars, trains and taxis, shipping purchases, internet, cable and phone services, advertising purchases made with social media sites and search engines. All right. And so this is pretty cool. Now, if you don't frequently spend in this specific categories, you might be better served by the Spark Miles for Business, which offers a fixed 2 times miles per dollar, a 2.8% return on all purchases. However, as part of the 200,000 miles mega bonus offer, Capital One also announced that it would be adding a 5 times bonus category to the Spark Miles for hotels and rental cars booked via Capital One Travel. And this isn't really quite as nice as the 10 times miles for hotels.com purchases you can get on the personal Capital One Venture Rewards credit card, but this 7% return is actually better than you will get on the Inc. Preferred, and it makes the Spark Miles more competitive. What about the Amex Business Platinum? This card has a higher multiplier, all right, because Amex Business Platinum you can earn 5 times on travel booked through Amex, so it's kind of cool. However, it's not the card to use for the vast majority of your spending if you are thinking about if you have a reward strategy in mind. And one thing I also want to say here when it comes to Amex is that the Amex categories are very limited. If you're spending, for example, let's say if you're spending 90,000 or more on hotels and airfare each year, or $7,500 a month for your business, you'll end up out earning the Inc. Business Preferred's bonus category potential. So this is something that you have to think about. And with Amex, though, there is no earning cap. This is something to know. It's very important. And you have no cap on the 5 times bonus, but you can only earn up to 1 million points with 1.5 times bonus category annually. So the bottom line here, who's the winner? For the vast majority of small business owners, the Inc. Business Preferred offers a better reward structure for expenses. I want to talk to you now about redeeming. So redeeming, the Inc. Business Preferred and the Spark Miles for Business earn valuable transferable points, and it's really hard to go wrong with either the Chase Ultimate Rewards or Capital One Miles ecosystem. In fact, what we've seen in our research is that both cards earn miles that can be transferred to the following airline partners. We're going to list them on the screen right now. So it goes from Singapore Airlines, KrisFlyer, all the way to Emirates, Skywards, Air France, KLM, Flying Blue, and JetBlue, TrueBlue. However, there are a few differences that are worth pointing out. So let's start with the Inc. Preferred. In addition to the partners we just showed you, Ultimate Rewards point can transfer to the following airlines. We're going to link them here. So we have Aer Lingus, British, Iberia, Southwest, and United and Virgin Atlantic. Okay, and the cool thing here is that these cars are constantly adding transfer partners. All right. For example, let's talk about the Capital One. So Capital One announced the addition of airline transfer partners to select cars at the end of 2018, and they actually added a lot of partners. And we're just putting the list on the screen for you. It goes from Aeromexico Club Premier and Air Canada Aeroplane all the way to Qatar Airways Privilege Club and Singapore KrisFlyer. So you have the whole list on the screen right now. So points with Capital One, the points transfer to most partners at 2.1.5 ratio, though Singapore, Emirates, and JetBlue transfer at 2.1 ratio. And one thing we have in our research, we found that you can get more value out of the Amex membership rewards program because of two primary features. You have a superior transfer partner program and a pay with points rebate. So Chase and Amex each have a solid list of transfer partners that include both airlines and hotels, but Amex soars above with 22 partners to choose from, including Delta, Emirates, Hilton, and Marriott. And Amex also frequently runs transfer bonus promotions. So and Chase and Capital One, in comparison, they have only about 10 to 13 transfer partners, and they only recently started trying out transfer bonuses. All right. So, of course, if Chase or Capital One offers certain partners that are more attractive to you personally, say you are a loyal United Flyer rather than a Delta fan, that may be a reason to put Chase's or Capital One's program over Amex. However, objectively speaking, based on our research, Amex has a more beneficial program for most users. So the winner in this category is the Amex Business Platinum. This card cannot be beaten with its transfer partner program and pay with points rebate. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are still talking about Amex Business Platinum versus Chase Inc. Business Preferred versus Capital One Spark Miles for Business. Let's talk now about the perks. Now, the Spark Miles and Inc. Business Preferred carry a $95 annual fee, though only the Spark waives it for the first year, and you generally won't find many perks on cards that are this cheap. Still, each card has benefits worth highlighting in addition to the fact that neither charges foreign transaction fees. For Amex Business Platinum, the annual fee is $595. Now let's quickly look into the benefits of each card. So with the Inc. Preferred, you'll receive the following benefits. You have cell phone protection, trip cancellation, interruption insurance, trip delayed reimbursement, primary car rental coverage, purchase protection, and extended warranty protection. In other words, if you have purchases with the U.S. manufacturers, you have a warranty of 3 years or less. So you get a coverage for that. Now, meanwhile, the Capital One Spark Miles for Business offers cardholders the following benefits. You have purchase security, auto rental collision damage waiver, extended warranty, Visa Savings Edge, and free employee cards. That's fantastic. So you can add employees as authorized users and rack up rewards through their per diem spending. And the Amex Business Platinum. So you have also a constellation of perks here. So you have statement credits, up to $200 airline fee credit, global entry TSA pre-check application, up to $200 Dale statement credit. You have purchase and travel protections here. You also have a lounge access. The very famous Centurion lounges, the Priority Pass Select Access, the Delta Sky Club, Airspace lounges. You have the business tools like QuickBooks integration and American Express business app. Other benefits such as a Gold Elite status with Marriott and Hilton, Amex Fine Hotels and Resort access, and you have a 10 free GoGo in-flight Wi-Fi passes per year. And so basically, when it comes to the perks, the Amex Business Platinum is hard to beat when it comes to travel perks and benefits. That's for sure. So, folks, let's just let's really recap here. Which card is right for you? It really depends on your needs. It depends on the kind of small business you are running right now. The Inc. Preferred And Spark Miles for Business are incredible cards to help your business earn valuable travel rewards on your expenses. The first question to ask yourself is whether your business will be able to hit the $50,000 of spending required to earn both tiers of the Spark Miles bonus. For example, right? So outside of that, it's up to you to decide which card will be more rewarding for your ongoing spending. So 3 times points on your first $150,000 in select business categories, or 2 times on all purchases, and which program offers transfer partners better suited to your travel needs. So the Inc. Preferred and Spark Miles are 2 different business credit cards that serve 2 different purposes. So the Inc. Business Preferred is great for business owners who want to earn a lot of transferable points on their regular expenses. All right. So this is for the Inc. Business Preferred, and for the Capital One Spark Miles for Business, if you are a small business owner and lack flexible rewards on your expenses, the Capital One Spark Miles for Business card is likely a good fit for you. The card used to not be super competitive because it lacked transfer partners, but that changed recently, as I said, as of 2018. So Capital One Miles added 10 plus transfer partners that instantly upped their credibility in our book. And for Amex here, so the Amex Business Platinum is built for frequent business travelers who want to upgrade their experiences while away from home on business. If you're only taking a few business trips a year, you'll get more value out of the Inc. Business Preferred reward structure and lower annual fee. Business owners, freelancers, and consultants who are constantly traveling can really take advantage of the awesome perks offered on the Amex Business Platinum. So if you're traveling a lot for business and also want to, let's say, maximize spending on other categories, I would honestly consider adding both the Inc. Business, the Inc. Preferred, and the Amex to your wallet over time. Those 2 cards don't overlap in rewards or structure enough to necessitate choosing one over the other. All right. And the cool thing here is that the Inc. Business Preferred has a pretty low annual fee, $95. Okay. And one thing I want you to keep in mind though is that the Inc. Business Preferred counts towards Chase's infamous 524 rule, even though it's a business credit card. This means that you most likely will not be approved if you've applied for 5 cards within the past 24 months across all issuers. All right, folks, our pick today. Which card is our preferred card? Which card should you pick? Our pick is pretty clear. It's Amex Business Platinum. Our score 10 over 10. This is a great card. This is a fantastic card. It's the best suited for small business owners who charge thousands of dollars in monthly business expenses to their cards. If you're a heavy traveler and you can take advantage of the card's premium benefit, that's fantastic. Especially the Centurion lounges. Those are great, right? Those are some of the nicest lounges in the United States, and call holders of the American Express Centurion card, the Platinum card from American Express, and the Business Platinum card get access for themselves and up to 2 guests, regardless of their airline or class of service. So that's fantastic. This is our pick. And so American Express, 10 over 10. Chase Inc. Business Preferred, 9.5 over 10. And the Capital One Spark Miles for Business, 9 over 10. At the end of the day, folks, the card that you choose depends upon your needs, depends upon your operational needs and your travel patterns. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.